welcome to my channel Talkative Lavanya, and today I have brought 10 new smart phrases for you to speak in a daily life conversation. So friends, let's begin. So friends, our first phrase is look forward to. So friends, look forward to's meaning is बेसब्री से इंतजार करना. Okay, like I will give you an example. Like my mom has gone to the market and I'm waiting for her. I'm looking forward for her to come. When your parents go to market, you eagerly wait for them, right? So you can use look forward to. You wait like, what will they bring for me? Will they bring candies or something else? You wait, right? So that's like what I'm saying, okay? So friends, our next one is turn a deaf ear to. Turn a deaf ear to. Okay, its note meaning is that ears are that I'm going to tell you about ears. Okay, I'm just telling you that turn a deaf ear to's meaning is ध्यान ना देना. When your mother say something about studies, you look here and there and sometimes you look there, sometimes up. That is called turn a deaf ear to. When you don't pay attention to someone, okay, that is turn a deaf ear to. Okay, let's make an example. I was turning a deaf ear to my mom when she was helping me to study. Its meaning is when my mom was helping me to study, I was looking here, sometimes there. That is called turn a deaf ear. Okay? Friends, our next one is as easy as ABC. So friends, you know that its meaning. ABC you have recognized, right? Its meaning is it was so easy like ABC. When you learn ABC, it's like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, these are quite easy for us, right? So, if some work is as easy as ABC, like my maths class was so easy. My maths class was as easy as ABC. Its meaning is my math class, when I go to school I study math so my math class was as easy as ABC. So you can make more examples from as easy as ABC. Okay? So our next one is keep an eye on. Okay? So keep an eye on meaning is nazar rakhna or dhyan. Okay? Like, can you keep an eye on my books while I go? So you can say like this. You can use this in school. There is there's some fear that nobody takes your book and cheats, right? So you will say, can you keep an eye on my books? Friends, our next one is a couple of. So friends, a couple of meaning is ek do baar. Let's see to an example. I have seen her a couple of times before. मैंने वह पहले एक दो बार देखी है. Okay? So you can use a couple of, right? I have used time, a couple of time. You can use any. Okay? So friends, our next one is in the course of. In the course of meaning is के दो बार. Okay? के दो बार. Like in the course of reading newspapers, she will learn how to read books. In the course of reading newspapers, she will learn how to read books. When newspaper पढ़ती book पढ़ना सीख जाएगी. So friends, the next one is child's play. So friends, child's play meaning is बच्चों का खेल. So Let's see through an example. Cooking is not a child's play. खाना बनाना बच्चों का खेल नहीं है. So you can use child's play phrase like this, or you can make any other sentence. So next is in any case. कुछ भी हो. In any case, I will read this book. कुछ भी हो, मैं इस किताब को पढ़ूंगी. Okay? So you can use it like this. You can make any other sentence or you can make any. Okay?